Tesla rejects Bitcoin. Let's have a look. Hello everyone, Florian.heise here, and welcome to another episode of HeiseSays. Grab your stein of coffee, because we're going to talk about the trending topic on Twitter and the news at the moment is that Tesla has rejected Bitcoin. They're not going to be accepting their payments. And crypto, well, she's a fickle mistress and is responding angrily to this. The price of Bitcoin, as I'm recording this, has just dropped below $50,000 US. Isn't that funny? For anyone following crypto for a while, Bitcoin's dropped below $50,000. Oh boy. So let's have a look at Elon's tweet right here. So, Tesla and Bitcoin. Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We're concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. I mean, this is the thing, you know, for a company that prides itself on, you know, environmentalism and providing electric vehicles, investing so heavily in Bitcoin, where, you know, even if people argue it's using sustainable energy sources, you've got to say how much of it is mined in China. What's the carbon footprint of China, everyone? How much sulfur dioxide is emitted into the atmosphere above China because of all the coal that's burning? It's having an impact. Cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has a promising future. But this cannot come at the cost to the environment. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. We're also looking at other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy per transaction. Now that's interesting. Maybe that's something to look at. How many people do you think are working on something right now to just get it in the face of Musk? To get some attention to him, to tweet about it. What if he tweeted about Groestel coin or some of these other cryptos or something specifically targeted to this? There's a lot out there. There's a lot out there. So this is the current Bitcoin price. When I took this screenshot, it had fallen down. And if we have a look here, it's tanking now. It's at 48,000, everyone. Oh, there we go. Boom. I refreshed back up to 51,000. There you go. So it's, let's just say, pretty volatile at the moment. Can I change this to candlesticks? I don't think I can. I maybe. Anyway, it doesn't. You see what's happening. It's going to be going up and down. Oh, whoa. Okay, nope. 47,000. Okay, something's happening here, guys. It's going crazy. There you go. Take your pick, whichever you want. It's going to be volatile. Bitcoin's pretty fickle, guys. Oh, boy. The current Tesla price, you know, at the time of recording, once again, it's $589.89. So you can see it's fallen down, and the market isn't open in the US, so we've got aftermarket trading, and that's trickling down as well. There you go. I wonder if that was when the tweet was issued. You know, 561 there. So Tesla's linked to Bitcoin now in a big way. In a big way. And here's the other thing, everyone. They've got a refund risk. Now, this is something that a viewer mentioned to me that I wasn't aware of. But it's very interesting because you've got to understand, what's it, Gresham's law with regards to the good money. Good money. Here we go. I'll bring it up. So, Gresham's law observation in economics that bad money drives out good. More exactly, if coins contain less metal of different value, have the same value as legal tender, the coins composed of the cheaper metal will be used for payment, while those made of more expensive metal will be hoarded or exported. So, say you go and you buy with some Bitcoin, and you need a refund, but Bitcoin's crashed. Well, you want your refund in US dollars, don't you? You want that original purchasing power of the crypto back. But that's not what's going to happen. Then they'll give you the Bitcoin equivalent back. What about if Bitcoin surges and you want a refund? Well, what do you think they're going to do? They'll give you a refund in US dollars because that's how they've got it set up. So, If you're entitled to a refund of your payment or to a buyback, we reserve the right to refund you to either the exact Bitcoin price that you provided us at the time of purchase or an amount of US dollars that is equivalent to the US dollar price of the product that you purchased at our sole and absolute discretion. So they're not taking any risk. So many companies used to take Bitcoin. I remember, I think you could even buy Steam games with Bitcoin. Remember that? And they stopped doing that. I think Microsoft accepted it as payment as well. They've all stopped doing it because of the volatility in the market. We're just seeing it today, everyone, how volatile it is. There you go. I've just refreshed again. It's now, well, there you go. It's still at 47. Take into consideration operational efficiencies. The same applies to all fees and incidental costs to which you're entitled. The price of Bitcoin can be volatile, and the value of Bitcoin relative to the US dollar may decrease or increase between the time that you make your purchase and the time that we provided a refund or a buyback. If we refund you in Bitcoin, the value of such amount of Bitcoin relative to the US dollars may be significantly less than the value of such amount of Bitcoin relative to US dollars at the time of your purchase. If we refund you in US dollars, the US dollar amount that we provide to you as a refund may be significantly less than the current US dollar market value of the amount of Bitcoin in which you made your purchase. You assume the risk of Bitcoin price depreciation and appreciation and will have no rights to select the method of refund. You are not entitled to receive any appreciation on the value of the Bitcoin that you provided to us as payment in connection with a refund or buyback. So, why would you buy a Tesla with Bitcoin? Why with these conditions? Who would do it? Who would do it? It doesn't make any sense. We did a Kickstarter years ago. We bought a laser cutter, and it just took so long we could get a full refund. And because it was in US dollars and the Aussie dollar was at that point above $1 US, well, no, when we bought it in, it was over a US dollar, and then it tanked like it does, and we made a profit. But here you go. You're taking all the risk. You're getting none of the benefit and taking all the risk. So, I mean, well, I was surprised when the viewer mentioned this on Twitter. I couldn't believe it. So, let's have a look at how the media is talking about this. This is an article from news.com.au. Elon stops Tesla Bitcoin payments, price instantly nosedives. Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. Did anyone actually buy a vehicle using Bitcoin? Did it actually ever happen? I thought they were planning on doing it. But I mean, you can buy anything with Bitcoin. You just need to go through third parties. I use Living Room of Satoshi or Satoshi's Living Room to transfer money, or I think my brother-in-law used it to pay a speeding fine. With third parties, there are other parties that are willing to take it. So they don't really care about the Bitcoin, do they? They care about the US dollars. Elon Musk has announced, anyway. We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal. Yep, it's a good idea. The price of Bitcoin immediately plunged after Mr. Musk's announcement this morning, falling from 54,000 to 52,000. There you go. It's going below the chart, everyone, and it's worse than that. He also revealed that Tesla would begin accepting Bitcoin payments for its cars and other products in the near future. Okay, this is on going back here. So there you go. Some studies suggest Bitcoin production uses more electricity than the whole of Argentina, Poland, Norway, or Switzerland. But even the lower estimates that result in more carbon emissions than Estonia. So what? That's what happens, guys. It's not the end of the world. Okay, this is the thing. People are so scared. They're so scared of the environmental impact of everything. Humanity's fine. We'll find a way. The greatest threat to civilization is not the environmental degradation. It's socialism. Okay, that's the much greater threat. More people have died of socialism in the last century than anything else. So, what are the solutions and lessons we can take from this? Crypto is a really fickle market, everyone. It's a fickle market. I'm not surprised. For people probably new into crypto, it may take a bit of getting used to. I mean, the excitement of it shooting up so high, of course it's going to tank when bad news comes. That's what happens. I mean, and you've got to also realize there's so many people so insanely leveraged in crypto. That's a whole other thing. So, there you go. What do you reckon, everyone? Do you think this is, will it affect the price? Are you going to buy in some more crypto? Or are you doing what I'm doing? Start mining Ethereum for the first time in 2 years. On my computer I'm using here, I'm shocked. It's actually profitable again. Anyway, guys, thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you're a fan and enjoy the content I create here, there are a few ways you can support us. You can join us on YouTube or Patreon. You can sign up for SelfWealth or Stake. You can use our affiliate links at Amazon, eBay, Independent Reserve, or AussieBroadband. Buy our merch from HeiseSays. We hand make our own pocket squares. Or you can get the merch from Teespring. You can use Gold Pass from the Perth Mint, support us via PayPal, or if you want to send us crypto, click on the support link to find our addresses there. Take care. See you all next time. Bye for now.